Gamers, welcome back to the Error Genie YouTube channel. Today, we're diving into a common issue many players face, dealing with a banned account in the Spike Volleyball mobile game. If you've found yourself in this frustrating situation, worry not, because I've got some valuable tips to help you get back on the court. Step 1. Understand the reason for the ban before taking any action. It's crucial to understand why your account was banned. The Spike Volleyball game may have specific rules and guidelines that you might have unintentionally violated. Take some time to reflect on your recent activities and interactions within the game. Step 2. Review the game's terms of service. Familiarize yourself with the game's terms of service. This document outlines the do's and don'ts of playing the game. Look for any sections that relate to the reasons for account suspension or banning. This will provide you with insights into the game's policies and help you rectify any mistakes you might have made. Step 3. Contact customer support. The next step is to reach out to the game's customer support. Explain your situation in a respectful and detailed manner. Express your desire to rectify any wrongdoing and request a review of your ban. Be sure to provide any relevant information, such as your in-game username and the circumstances leading up to the ban. Step 4. Apologize and commit to fair play in your communication with customer support. Acknowledge any mistakes you made and apologize for them. Assure them that you are committed to adhering to the game's rules and regulations moving forward. A genuine and sincere apology can go a long way in showing your dedication to fair play. Step 5. Patiently await a response after you've contacted customer support. It's a waiting game. The support team needs time to review your case thoroughly. While waiting, refrain from creating new accounts or attempting to bypass the ban, as this could worsen your situation. Step 6. Follow up politely. If you haven't received a response within a reasonable time frame, consider sending a polite follow-up inquiry. Keep your tone respectful and patient, as customer support teams often handle numerous inquiries. Step 7. Learn and improve regardless of the outcome. Use this experience as an opportunity to learn and improve. If your account is reinstated, make sure to uphold the game's rules and guidelines. If the ban remains, take the time to reflect on your actions and use this as motivation to ensure a better gaming experience in the future. Remember, every game has its rules, and abiding by them not only ensures a fair and enjoyable experience for all players but also helps maintain the integrity of the game itself. Thank you for tuning into the Error Genie channel, where we're here to assist you in overcoming the trickiest gaming conundrums. If you found this content helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more insightful content. If you have any questions or suggestions, please drop them in the comments below. Until next time, game on.